We're Fram Energy. We're a New York-focused company that is building a software product that makes solar work for rental properties specifically. So after a year-long journey, we just heard that we won round 7 of the American-made Solar Prize.
The goals and the Jedi aspect of the program have helped us really focus on the mission side of our business because we care so deeply about helping tenants and helping disadvantaged tenants save on their energy bills. And that can be a really hard thing to get to, especially when you're such a small business.
What winning this prize money means to us is really being able to hire new team members, being able to develop our product on a much faster timeline. Working with Pacific Northwest National Lab through the vouchers has also been game-changing because we're able to support our product with this amazing research. I think we'll really point back to this as really having had a huge impact on what Fram Energy was able to achieve during the pre-seed round.